we're on the Kalili. What do you call this? Para siyang mga tiyangge-tiyangge, no? All sorts of items being sold here. We're with a group of delegates from the World Urban Forum. See this is an exceptional display of Egyptian culture, no? So you have opportunity to see. Very nice, no? Very nice. Here.
Akbar, it's an Arabic word meaning the moonlight. The moonlight.
The moonlight.
The moonlight, yeah. This mosque dates back to the Fatimite era. The Fatimite era is coming before the Mamluk era. The Fatimite, they were Shi'is. They were coming from Morocco nowadays, and they settled here in Egypt and ruled Egypt for about 250 years, for a very long period. As you can see, this mosque have an projecting entrance and several decoration. Anyone here is Muslim? Anyone know? Yeah, you know Hassan and Hussein. Hassan and Hussein, they were the sons of Ali and the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, the Prophet of Islam. Here we have, if you look here to this dozen, you can find like a vase. And from this vase we have a tree. It's coming two branches. These two branches referring to Hassan and Hussein, the grandsons of Prophet Muhammad. Also we have here several decoration and many things that reflecting the heritage of this period. If you look to this corner, you can find a field or a soft corner. During that time we have no shops like you can see nowadays. This corner to prevent any vessels that are passing besides the mosque from being injured or making anything bad for the mosque.